Growth Hackers Digital Marketing Experts is an international digital company in India and UAE, specialized in reinforcing a 360-degree digital marketing strategy. With over 25 years of experience in digital marketing, we are producing electrifying experiences for the international brands from UAE, Singapore, and many others. Growth Hackers provide all digital solutions under one roof, becoming one of the most trusted names in India and UAE. Growth Hackers is a diverse team of digital marketing experts, innovative thinkers, creative designers, and web developers who are passionate about growing clients' businesses, helping them achieve their goals, and making a difference by raising our industry standards. Mr. Manik Malik, Founder and Managing Director. A hands-on creative and productive, with more than 25 years digital marketing experience, Manik has been leading the way for bringing concepts to life for clients in emerging trends of digital marketing. His work is recognized with many awards and certified in several areas by Google. Growth Hackers provides turnkey services like web development, pay-per-click, social media, CRM, search engine optimization, training consultancy, content marketing, app development, and email marketing to take your business to new heights. With honesty, passion, integrity, innovation, creativity, commitment, we proudly say our slogan, "Customers' growth is our business." Wondering why digital marketing? Going digital with Growth Hackers makes brand development, greater exposure, users' engagement, organic and paid promotions, increased sales and cost-effective with higher ROI. Now you might ask, why search engine marketing? If not, then simply you are surely missing the most targeted traffic on your online presence. Let's quickly check out the benefits of SEO. Growth Hackers targets for the success of your online presence. We analyze keywords and competitor, on-page and off-page optimization, Google page ranking, increased traffic and conversions, mobile-friendly structure and channel strategies. We just not stop here. We also build and market your social media presence, which ultimately create brand awareness, builds trust and loyalty, drive traffic and leads, boosts search engine ranking, and whereas we also adapt viral content marketing to sky-high your brand immediately. Our brilliant design and development team creatively plays Android and iOS platforms, create databases with several technical languages, create frameworks, establish networking, web services, and multilingual support. PPC stands for pay-per-click, converts direct traffic to your websites and ensures advertising directly to people searching for business like you. Other advantages of PPC are display ads, remarketing, YouTube, Gmail sponsor promotions, and Google My Business. We are aware of your hardship planted in your business, that's why we just not stop here and also create content, utilize conceptualization of ideas, create them, and of course promote them. With us, send your business presence to masses, which improves customer loyalty, increase brand, drive many more leads with minimum cost and maximum output. Send your campaign to millions at once and track your results in real time. As we love our clients, the same we want with their customers, that's why we provide CRM, customers relationship management, to identify existing challenges, customer journey, measuring success with customers, remember important dates, all this with newest technology. What about those hidden prospects present in multiple platforms like display advertising, mobile advertising, native advertising, rich media and videos, and digital out of house? Get your digital business card from our creative team and get free from carrying business cards. Customers can easily reach you in one click. Could WhatsApp you without saving your number. Client can capture leads. Enable navigation to your store or site and could save your contact numbers from digital business card with just one click. Our partners Google, Facebook, and almost every social media platform pledged to provide utmost services to ensure your business growth and success. We are your reliable digital partner from India and UAE to all over the globe. Contact us to make a roar for your business on the online marketing world. We appreciate our clients for all the love, support, and guidance for over 25 years. Because of our extended family from UAE and India, we are now working with more than 100 happy clients from India, UAE, and the Middle East. Thank you for all the support and for watching this video.